Hi, everyone. I wanted to go over how to access Myopenmath and how we're going to use that. You guys are going to have assignments that are expected to be done in paper. You're also going to have assignments that are assigned on Myopenmath and are also supposed to be done in your notebook. But you can get instant feedback on certain problems and whether or not you're doing it correct. And we're going to use Myopenmath to do that. So what you can do is you're going to go through and you're going to register. Go to myopenmath.com and you are going to register as a new student. So you can do that right here. When you click register as a new student, it says your username. You get to choose a password. I would just use your S number, your school password, first and last name, your school email, and then you should be good to go. Now the course ID and the enrollment key we will get in class. They're also in the details for 1-1 in your Google Classroom. So you can go to 1-1 for algebra and click down in the details of that assignment, and you will see the course ID and the enrollment key. I'm going to take you on a little tour of what this looks like and how we're going to use it. All right, so when you log in, if there's I'm not going to send really messages through here or anything, but you should see over here on the left the classes that you're taking. Legal Algebra 1, super. And I've already got an assignment. So you can see and check your grades in here. Now you've got grades all sorts of places, right? You've got them in Google Classroom, PowerSchool. PowerSchool are the ones that matter. These are just for keeping track of your points and kind of how it works. So when you click on an assignment, I've already started it with my other classes, but I can resume. It shows the problem that I did, and it shows it shows my answer that I've submitted. If I wanted to try another question, I can do that after I've got it right for more practice. If you get a question wrong, I have the current settings. I mean, it's going to be different for different assignments, I think, but basically, if you get a question wrong, it deducts a couple points, and then you get to try again. For this one, I think you get like one attempt, and then you get to try a different or similar but different question. So you do, 6x plus 10x. You write in 4x as your answer, submit question. It says I got it right, great. I think I can try another one if I want to practice more. Yep, so you can sit here and practice all sorts of different types of questions as you move through. Okay, so I've already gotten the point for that. I don't think the additional attempts are going to cause any problems. If you want to enter a fraction, you just click the fraction box. Say you wanted to do like 1/2, you can click in there and type. And if you wanted to make it -1/2, you can put that right there, so on and so forth. So there's lots of ways you can navigate and enter things in Myopenmath. All right, cool. If you close out of this or you log out on accident, it's going to save all your progress, which is nice. One thing that's important is that I'm still requiring you to work these out on paper. I realize this one probably does not need work on paper. You can probably do that in your head. Questions like number 9, I would like to see done on paper. I would like to see that you understand the next step is the distributive property, and so on and so forth. So on your assignment, if it's not a one-step problem, I should see the problem number. So you'd write problem 9. You would write down the problem statement. You would show your work and box your answer. And then let's say you get this question wrong and you have different numbers. You're going to write that problem down and try it again. Okay, so hopefully that is helpful, and when you're done, you can submit your assignment. So yeah, this is new for me, so there might be following videos on kind of how this works. The questions are randomized, so other people in the class are not doing they're doing a similar problem but with different numbers. If you want additional help on these, if you feel like you don't understand something or you're getting a lot wrong on Myopenmath, just stop and don't tarnish your grade and come to office hours, ask questions, and maybe we can do a couple together. Okay? That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.